Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to walk you through initial app setup for the iRobot Roomba Plus 405. If you're interested in the 405 or want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. So we need to point out first and foremost that iRobot has a new app. So if you're upgrading from, let's say, the the J series, the 600 series, and now you've landed on the 405, it's actually going to be a different iRobot Home app. Both are available for iOS and Android devices, but you might notice your current iRobot app is now called like iRobot Home Classic. There's another iRobot Home app from iRobot that you can search and download from the App Store. That's going to be the app you want to use to control this product. And I know what you're thinking, hey, will it still allow me to control my 600 or my I or my J series devices? The answer to that is no. You'll have to use the Classic app for those products still. So just keep that in mind. Now, my account, when I went to sign in, it's going to be the same account for both, which is nice. So just keep that in mind. Use your same email, all that to get access. And you can see your other devices on your account. So here's a look at my app right now. There's some of my other Roombas, and it lets you know for those models, it can only be controlled from the Classic iRobot Home app. Okay, so just keep that in mind. So to get this one set up, we're going to select Add a New Robot. It's searching for nearby products. Make sure you have Bluetooth and all that enabled. Now we can pull up our vacuum right here. Roomba Plus 400 series, we're going to add that robot. They have a note. It says 105 series products only support 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi networks. When in doubt, just use 2.4 gigahertz. That'll just save you the most trouble, give you a more reliable connection. So we're going to select yes, continue, because our network is 2.4 gigahertz. We're going to enter our password, and then we'll proceed with setup. Now it's working on connecting to our robot. We got a chime. It says press your robot's power button to connect to your phone. Just pressed it. Stay on this screen until connection finishes. Got a chime there. That's a good music, good audio. All right, more good audio. 2 out of the 3. All right. There we go. Everything's connected. The app went ahead. I thought maybe we'd get some more sounds or chimes. We did not. So we can name it right here. We're going to do Roomba Plus 405. Save the name. Select next. So software update. We're going to start that update now. It says take about 20 minutes. Total time left, 13 minutes. Now we wait. All right, the update is almost finished. It's now moved to less than 1 minute left. I thought for sure this wouldn't take 13 minutes. Updates usually take like 3 or 4 minutes. Nope, that time is very accurate. So keep that in mind too, that you're gonna make sure that your phone's charged, all that right, just you have everything nearby and you can leave it for that amount of time before you conduct the update. So 13 minutes for us, very accurate. Now we just wait for that last minute to come off here, so everything can tidy up and be all set and ready to go. The lights are blinking on the unit. We'll see if anything changes there here. It's definitely been more than a minute left. All right, after lunch break, everything has worked itself out. I would give it at least an hour, at least from our experience. You might have to play around with trying to take it on and off the base, turning it on and off, using the app to reboot it, things like that to get it to work if it's in a funk like ours was. But give it more time than 20 minutes. That seems like a stretch if you ask me. So here it is, Roomba Plus 405. We can enter into it right here. Top right-hand corner, those 3 dots. We have multiple device settings, child lock, mop auto wash settings, where we can adjust pad wash frequency. We can also adjust mop wash duration. Then further down, we have language options. They have tons of languages. You can install multiple languages here. Pretty impressive. Audio volume, Wi-Fi, and network settings, and then we can reboot. You might need to reboot that during that process too if this button doesn't work as you're trying to get everything installed. But hopefully yours runs way smoother than ours did. Back here, you'll notice 100% charge, and we can create a map. That black button is what we need to press now to create a map, so then we can start cleaning. They have additional resources here for you. Helpful getting started guide, showing you initial setup. Then we have our dock controls. So you have those commands right there at your fingertips. I also wanted to show you bottom left-hand corner. If we hit My Home, that takes us to our 405 as well, letting us know it's time to create a map. So we can create a map here, or we can go back to Robots, and up at the top for our selected 405, we can create a map right here. So that's it. Getting everything set up is quick with an asterisk for the firmware update. From start to finish, just getting, the app installed, your account created, and then adding the device, not bad at all. Maybe 1 or 2 minutes. You probably already have an account, but anyways, that's kind of beside the point. It's just that wild card of how long it takes to get any sort of update installed. Not sure if that's just a server end. We've never seen this before with any other vacuums that we've tested, so I'm assuming it's on their end. It's easy to point the fingers though. It just took a long time to get that updated. Usually at the most, we'll see like 10, 15 minutes as a stretch. So that was pretty wild that it took so long, especially as things were progressing so nicely. 13 minutes down to 1 minute, and then just hung at that less than 1 minute for 30 plus minutes, 40 minutes. So anyways, simple and straightforward, assuming you get that 20 minutes or less for the firmware update. But hopefully you have a smoother process than we did. But now it's time with the setup. We can create our map and continue on with our cleaning. So that's a quick look at your Roomba 405 initial app setup.